What's up, my people? So today I'm going to help my brother Damian. My brother Damian owns a maintenance company, specifically doing maintenance in these machines. These big machines that basically make concrete and cement in mining companies. So sometime when he has big projects, he will give me a call to help out with that. And today is one of those days where he asked for my help. I help with driving the industrial forklifts and industrial cranes. So it's very fun to drive these big old machines, these big old huge cats and these cranes. I really enjoy doing this once in a while, so it's a pretty fun job. And well, let's go ahead and do it, baby. Let's get on. It's actually pretty funny because my mom, every time I come with my brother, he makes sure I always bring lunch for my brothers. And you know, my mom actually had 8 kids. 2 of them passed away when they were little. Technically, I am the 8th one born. And obviously my name is David. And you know, King David used to take food to his brothers, right? So that's me. I'm being sent by my mother to make sure that I bring food. Obviously, in David's case, it was, you know, his dad. And second of all, I'm not King David. The greater King David is Jesus Christ. It's not me. But I'm just saying the similarities. It's pretty fun to think about that. The 8th one born, she names me David, and she makes me bring lunch to my brothers. Like King David, who is the 8th son. He was the youngest one out of 8 children. And he was named David. So let's see what Mama packed. What Mama Irma packed. So some chips. This right here is not to hold water or any drink. We actually use it to bring the food, to keep the food nice and fresh. Peanut butter and jelly. It says David. That one says Damian, so I'm guessing peanut butter and jelly and a sandwich. And some salsa and some avocado. We could put avocado on the sandwiches or with the chips. And a couple drinks. Very nice, very nice.